Jason Tirado, West New York Chiropractor, and today we're working on Janetta. She has some neck pain, some lower back pain, and we're just starting off with a nice deep massage just to kind of relax these muscles inside here. Alright? Again, we're using our thumper here. Sometimes these lower back muscles will actually tighten up. It'll tighten up the tensor fasciae lata on the side of the legs. That's probably going to make you jump a little bit. Yes? Janetta? No? No, not making a jump? Okay. Janetta promised she wasn't going to talk during this adjustment either. But she can talk during this adjustment. That's okay. We're going to write down this right leg. Loosen up that TFL right inside there. There we go. How's that feel, Janetta?
Good.
Good? Alright. And this is also going to be a plug for you also for your real estate business.
That sounds great.
Jeanette is also one of the best realtors in Hoboken or Northern Jersey. In Jersey City, Hoboken. Okay. And so you know realtors get really stressed out inside their neck and their shoulders, real tight. From doing big deals all day. Okay. Good. Alright. Interesting enough, this thumper was first used on animals to relax their muscles, specifically horse. Okay, let's check your legs. See how we're doing here. I relax completely. Let's see how we're doing. All right. So what I want you to do first is I want you to just turn your head to the left for a minute. This way. Just turn to the left and relax, please. Very good. And turn to your right, please. Okay. Very good. I want you to tuck your chin to your chest in the middle. Okay. Very good. And go back to neutral. All right. And just relax a bit. Great. All right. So the right side of your pelvis is a little off. And we're going to go ahead. We're going to adjust it. Inside there. You can come right over there. All right. So we're just going to start off. You can feel the table drop just like that. And we're just going to work on the hip joints. Work on that left side. There we go. And right on top of the sacral base. Good. And then we're going to work on these SI joints. Right inside here, they get tight when you're sitting down all day. Here we go. Just going to open them up a bit. Good. There we go. Go right over the sacrum. Right inside here, and just relax. And then on that right SI joint. These adjustments, they don't feel that much. They don't hurt at all. They're usually comfortable. Okay, now we're going to peak this table a little bit, right? Just to increase the curve inside the lower back, and so that the lumbar spine just kind of floats right there. And she's going to feel that drop like that. So I'm going to breathe in really deep, and breathe all the way out. Let it go, right inside there. Good. We're going to do it one more time. In and deep, all the way out, Janetta. Let it go. Good. That's it. Good. Okay, I'm going to come right around here. Okay, you can go right over there. And we're going to adjust right inside of your Janetta. So I'm going to breathe in one more time. All the way out. You're going to hear a little pop. Good. One more time in and out. All right, let it go. Good. Good. Excellent. Good. Excellent. How are we doing so far? Okay?
Good.
Good. All right. Good. Step right over there. Janetta, what I want you to do is lay down right on your side and face this wall right here. You can? Excellent. Okay. Just going to turn you a little bit. Just like that. Good. So how long is your flight tomorrow?
7.5 hours.
That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Okay. So I'm just going to bring it down like this, just a little bit more. Good. Just going to rotate it down. Okay. And I'm going to bring it back here. Okay, I'm just going to contact you right inside here, this right side, and relax. Good. Hold on. Just going to do it one more time. Breathe in again. And all the way out. Let it go. Good. A little tight inside there. Come right on the other side, please. All right. This way. Good. So turn you a bit, just like that. Excellent. Just gonna bend this leg nice and easy. Come a little bit closer, just like that. I'm just gonna adjust this lumbar area right inside here. Bring it down. Good. Again, breathing real deep. All the way out. Try to relax that lower back a little more. Good. There we go. Come right on your back. Come on my face out. There we go. Good. That wasn't too bad. All right.
That's good.
Good. So I'm going to adjust your hip joints. All right. I'm going to adjust you head to toe. That's what we're going to do today. All right. Really get everything. So first I'm going to stress this hip joint a little bit. All right. I'm going to just relax you. Okay. You might hear a little pop inside there. All right. Good. Just like that. Good. And you can take your hands. Hold your hands right here so you don't slide off the table. And just do a gentle pull. Okay. Now when you just relax your leg just a little bit. Good. Just gonna come here. Let it go. Just like that. Good. I'm gonna bend this one right here. Let this leg drop. Again, you might hear a little pop inside there. Good. Okay. And then relax here. A little bit more. Just relax. Open up that ankle joint. Good. Slide back up. Excellent. Let's see your shoulders. I'm going to adjust the shoulder areas. You might hear pop inside here. These are where you hold a lot of stress inside there. There we go. That was easy. All right. Let's hit the elbow joint. Good. Boy, that popped really easy. Right there, to the other side. Okay, we come right over here. And just relax your arm, let it drop just a bit. Good. Relax the joint. Good. Okay. Relax your hands a little bit. Good. Good. Like that. Right there. Okay. Doing good so far. Alright, slide up towards me just a bit. Okay. How are we doing, okay?
Good.
Awesome. Awesome. So this adjustment has to hold until you come back.
Yes.
Is that right? Okay. Okay. Alright. Good. Well, the last one held for a real long time.
That's right.
Okay. Good. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm just going to do two adjustments. One here in the lower part, and then here in the upper part. Good. Just relax just a bit. Just going to stretch out this muscle just a bit. Mm-hmm. Okay, just right here. Just going to stretch a little bit more. Just let it go right there. There we go. There we go. Excellent. Good. We're going to do one more. Okay? Just going to bring it right over here. And this might be a little bit bigger. The side's a little bit tighter. Okay, I'm going to stretch right inside here. A little bit more. That's it. But just relax. There we go. There we go. Woo! There we go. Good. You're going to breathe in really deep. All the way out. And let it go. Good. Perfect. Okay. There we go. It's your vacation adjustment. Let me help you out. All right. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Thanks, Liz.
Ah.
All right.